somebody, anybody, everybody, or nobody. We use these pronouns when we talk about a person or people. But when do we use them? When we are talking about one person, we will use somebody. Somebody left their umbrella at the cafe. Well, we found one umbrella and we assume this is only one person who could have done it. So somebody left their umbrella at the cafe. When we refer to the amount of people equal to 0, we will say nobody. Nobody wants to miss the upcoming concert. Nobody, no one here in the room wants to miss this concert. That means that everybody, all of us want to go. When we are talking about all people around us, we will use everybody. Everybody is excited about the party tonight. So here we're talking about all our friends, all our family, all our classmates. So everybody is excited about the party tonight. When do we use anybody? We use anybody when we're talking about unlimited amount of people or more than one. For example, has anybody seen my missing wallet? Instead of somebody, anybody, everybody, or nobody, we can use someone, anyone, everyone, or no one, and they will have absolutely the same meaning. For example, do you need anyone to help you move the furniture? Yes, I need someone to help me move the furniture. No one wants to help me move the furniture, or everyone wants to help me move the furniture. When we are talking about objects or things, we will use something, anything, everything, or nothing. For example, have you got anything planned for this weekend? No, I have nothing planned for this weekend. When we are talking about a place, we will use somewhere, everywhere, anywhere, or nowhere. For instance, have you seen my watch? I can't find it anywhere. Have you checked everywhere in your room? This is the end of our video. The next week we're going to have a quiz where you can check your knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye for now.